Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I am Arjun Patsarthi, and in today's market, gsec yields came down slightly, a 10-year down by 2 basis points. In the global markets as well, US Treasury yields dropped, but up from higher levels after climbing up after very strong jobs data. And the rupee is strengthening, showing that there's expected foreign flows into both equities and bonds. And we are seeing some very good demand for long-term bonds. India Infradebt is showing 15-year bond at 8%. Bajaj Finance is issuing 10-year bonds. We are seeing Tata Capital issuing 10-year bonds, and all at the final levels below 8% levels. And other such issuers are also issuing long-term bonds. Good demand from insurance companies and provident funds, largely on the back of the fact that there is expected to be a lower supply of bonds next year, especially at the long end. And investors with long-term liabilities are now shoring up on their investments in long-term bonds. Even the 50-year bond yield has dropped very sharply from its issue level of 7.46%. It's down to closer to 7.15% to 7.20%. A very sharp fall for a 50-year bond. How long it will sustain depends on many factors. At this point of time, we have a budget that is showing that lower fiscal deficit and lower borrowing. So that is driving down yields. But when the full budget comes out after the elections in April and May, this should be likely in July. The markets will have to look at the new budget for numbers before taking a longer-term call on directions. But at this point of time, there is good demand for long-term bonds, and issuers are issuing bonds in a good scale to meet the demand. Thank you very much for listening in. And do not forget to download our app, because Quick Invest by INR Bonds, to see the best curated bonds on offer with the most information. And if you're a financial advisor, our partner portal is geared towards helping financial advisors give bonds to their clients with the best risk return profile. Again, with most transparency and price discovery. Thank you very much for listening in.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.